Let's walk through how you can develop a recruitment strategy tailored to specific academic programs and regions using the UNI Global AI Copilot. On the left-hand side of the screen, start by entering the institution name. In this case, King's College, London. Then enter the academic schools. We've listed architecture, biology. Next, add the target countries. Here it's Portugal, Spain. And finally, under unique selling points, we've written highly ranked for student satisfaction, research, and employability skills. You can select a preferred language, model, and word count if you'd like. Once the form is ready, click the Generate button. Now, looking to the right, the AI has generated a comprehensive recruitment strategy draft. It highlights program-specific strengths, emphasizes support services and testimonials, and recommends tailored digital campaigns. It also provides suggestions for partnerships, virtual open days, and alumni engagement, all designed to appeal to prospective students from Portugal and Spain. You can now edit, export, or copy this draft for use in recruitment planning.